Are you looking for the best camping mattress? In this video we will look at some of the best camping mattress on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. PACOONE Camping Sleeping Pad. The PACOONE Camping Sleeping Pad is a versatile and innovative outdoor gear designed to provide comfort and convenience during camping, hiking, and other outdoor adventures. This inflatable mattress is equipped with unique features that make it a practical choice for those seeking a comfortable sleeping solution while on the go. One of the standout features of the PACOONE Camping Sleeping Pad is its built-in inflator pump. This eliminates the need for manual inflation or carrying a separate pump, saving valuable time and effort. With this integrated pump, users can easily inflate the sleeping pad within minutes, allowing them to quickly set up their sleeping area and relax after a day of outdoor activities. The ultra-light design of the PACOONE sleeping pad adds to its appeal for backpackers and travelers who prioritize weight savings. Its lightweight construction ensures that it won't add significant bulk to your camping gear, making it easier to carry during hikes and other adventures where every ounce matters. Number 2. Outdoor Thicken Camping Mattress. The Outdoor Thicken Camping Mattress is a versatile and innovative sleeping solution designed to enhance the comfort and convenience of outdoor enthusiasts during camping, hiking, and backpacking adventures. This ultra-light inflatable sleeping pad offers a range of features that contribute to a restful night's sleep while minimizing the weight and bulk in your backpack. The mattress boasts a thicker design compared to traditional camping pads, providing an extra layer of cushioning and insulation from the ground. This helps to reduce discomfort and allows you to rest more comfortably after a long day of outdoor activities. Despite its impressive thickness, the Outdoor Thicken Camping Mattress is engineered to be ultra-light and easy to carry. The inflatable design enables it to be deflated and compactly packed, making it suitable for backpackers and hikers who prioritize minimizing weight and saving space. One of the standout features of this sleeping pad is the built-in pillow. This eliminates the need to carry a separate pillow, further reducing the weight and volume of your camping gear. The integrated pillow offers adequate support for your head and neck, promoting a more comfortable sleeping position. Number 3. Outdoor Camping Inflatable Mattress. The Outdoor Camping Inflatable Mattress, also known as an outdoor sleeping pad or ultralight air cushion, is a versatile and essential piece of equipment for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hikers, and travelers seeking comfortable and convenient sleeping solutions during their adventures. This portable mattress is designed to provide a cushioned and insulated surface that enables individuals to rest comfortably outdoors, whether on rugged terrain, in a tent, or even under the open sky. Outdoor camping inflatable mattresses are designed with lightweight materials and a compact folding mechanism, making them easy to carry in backpacks or travel bags. This portability is particularly advantageous for hikers and backpackers who need to minimize weight and space. These mattresses typically feature an inflatable design that allows users to manually inflate them using breath or with an air pump. The inflatable feature enables users to adjust the firmness according to their personal comfort preferences. The mattress's cushioned surface provides a barrier between the user and the ground, offering a more comfortable sleeping experience compared to lying directly on the terrain. Additionally, the insulating properties of the mattress help to keep users warm by minimizing heat transfer from the ground. Number 4. Foldable Folding Outdoor Camping Mat. The Foldable Folding Outdoor Camping Mat is a versatile and convenient outdoor accessory designed to enhance your comfort during various outdoor activities. This portable mat combines the features of a cushioned seat, foam pad, waterproof barrier, and beach or picnic mat, making it an ideal companion for camping, hiking, beach trips, picnics, and other outdoor adventures. The mat is ingeniously designed to be foldable, allowing for easy storage and transportation. It can be compactly folded into a manageable size, making it convenient to carry in your backpack or tote bag. The mat features a foam cushion that provides comfortable seating on various outdoor terrains, whether you're sitting around a campfire, at a beach, or during a picnic. The foam padding ensures a cozy and enjoyable experience. The mat's waterproof construction adds an extra layer of protection against dampness and moisture. This feature is especially useful when placed on wet or dewy surfaces, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable. With its multi-purpose design, the foldable folding outdoor camping mat can be used as a seat pad, a cushioned surface for yoga or relaxation, or a barrier between you and the ground. It caters to a wide range of outdoor activities, from hiking and camping to beach outings and picnics. Number 5. Outdoor Camping Inflatable Mattress. When it comes to enhancing the comfort and convenience of outdoor camping experiences, the outdoor camping inflatable mattress with integrated pump and pillows stands out as an essential piece of equipment. This innovative sleeping pad has been designed to provide campers and hikers with a lightweight, portable, and easily inflatable bedding solution that ensures a good night's sleep even in rugged outdoor environments. The inflatable mattress is engineered with ultralight materials, making it an ideal choice for backpackers and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize weight savings without sacrificing comfort. Its compact design allows it to be easily carried in a backpack or camping gear. One of the standout features of this camping mattress is its built-in inflator pump. This eliminates the need for manual inflation, which can be both time-consuming and physically demanding. With the integrated pump, users can effortlessly inflate the mattress within minutes, allowing them to set up their sleeping arrangement quickly and efficiently.